It's beautiful Tuesday morning, everyone. This is Coach Arlen Rodriguez of Tropang Ligaya, Walker sa Mandaluyong. Agent, bati rin.
Good morning, Tropang Ligaya. Happy Tuesday.
Good morning, happy Tuesday, everybody. Good morning.
Boss J.
Morning po, happy Tuesday. So last day po ngayon ng filing of Certificate of Candidacy. Pinuno, bago sa mong humabol, please, go ahead.
Salamat lagi, big shout out Tropang Ligaya. Iba-ibang content natin, araw-araw.
Last day, di ba? Tama ba?
Have wonderful time, everyone. See you. Thanks. It's beautiful Tuesday morning, everyone. This is Coach Arlen Rodriguez of Tropang Ligaya, Walkers of Mandaluyong. Boss J, happy birthday! Enjoy your special day with your loved ones. See you. Thanks.